Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna show you another way of making money online with no money at all. And today we will use YouTube. So it's a way of making money online using YouTube without showing your face. Let's go. Okay, so as I told you before previously, so we're gonna look at a way of making money with YouTube, and you won't have to show your face at all, and you'll see it's so simple to do. The only thing you have to make sure of is that you stay consistent in your uploading, and that's all. So here we go. Let's first go to our YouTube and let me show you what we'll be looking at. So let's go to youtube.com and we'll be looking at time-lapse videos. So I'm gonna search time-lapse video and you will see what I'm talking about. So here you can see like different channels, green time lapse, Temponode time lapse. This person is teaching you to make a time lapse, but you have different channels, and you can see that they have, these two, specifically these two, they have a lot of subscribers and views. So let's see for the subscribers, 174,000 subscribers and a lot of views. So let me show you first how much these channels are making. So this one is making, let's go on socialblade.com. That's where you can check how much a channel is earning with YouTube per month and per year. So here, this channel is making between $173 to $2,800 per month, and up to $33,000 per year. So that one is earning that much. Now we're gonna check this one, time lapse. Let's go again here. So this channel is earning $33,000 a year, as we can see. And let's check this one. It can be a full-time income for someone, right? Doing pretty much not much. You just need to download a video regularly, once a week, once every 2 weeks. Once a week I recommend, that would be better. But that's all you have to do, and then you'll make passive income. This channel, Temponode, is making between $13,000 to $217,000 a month, and per year between $163 to $2.6 million per year. It's huge, guys. There's a huge potential. Depending on what you want to, what kind of videos you want to put. But here, this channel is posting videos of, as you can see, pieces of food. Could be, so you have eggs, papayas, a rotting apple, a donut, anything you want. And it's just, let's check it out. That's a 2-minute 41 video, and it's literally just like an egg. Just an egg that's changing over time, and that's all it is. 35 days. Let's see how many days. So over like 200, probably a year. And that's that for this video. But let's go check out another video. Let's check this one out. 2.3 million views for this video, just this simple video of 5 minutes only. So this video, let's see, it's just an apple rotting over time. And what do we have? 228, 229, probably over a year, I would say. Yeah, probably over a year. So that's for the apple. And Yeah, so you can just experiment something. Like it could be a time lapse of a landscape as well. You just put it like over a beautiful view of an ocean or anything you want, actually. Just create a time lapse. I mean, this is interesting to people, actually. That's an interesting subject. It's food. So yeah, this is interesting. But could be a time lapse of anything you want. So once so first of all, you need to create a YouTube channel, of course. So once you created your channel, then now you want to create your videos. So to create a time lapse video, I would personally use VSDC. This is the video editor I'm using. It's completely free. You have a pro version, which I have, but you don't need to have it. You can do it for free as well. So I'll show you quickly how you can create your video. So you'll go here, you'll put new project, finish. That's not the one you want, but let's go here. You'll put a project title, finish. It's gonna bring you to this. So here you'll want to download a video. So let me go and get any video that we have here in my list. Let's take any video. So let me bring anyone. This one. It's probably an old video. Okay, so this is a video. So if you want to speed up the video, very simple. You will just go on the video right here. You'll go to properties, and over here at the bottom here, you have the speed. So I mean, just change it to 1000 or 500. Try it out, see how it goes. So let's try. I'm gonna try 500. And let's see how it goes. There you go. So you can see that's how you do it. So that's for the video. Then if you want to add for your sound, I'm gonna show you another website that you can use, and you'll be able to download any free sound without any copyright issues. And you go to that website, orangefreesounds.com, and over here you can just download any sound you want. So you'll go, let's go here. You can go to relaxing sound or anything you want, and windy forest, ambience, let's say, and that's it. You just download it for free. So you download it, and let me show you how you actually will do it. So you'll go back to, so here's my sound, showing folder. Okay, so I'm gonna put my sound in the downloads quickly right here. So I'll go back to my editor right here, and if you want to add the sound, you'll just go here and you'll go to downloads, and I should have downloaded the sound. Oh, actually, let's take this one. It's a sound. That's all we want. So you'll take this sound, add a new layer, and you put your sound. The cursor was here, so let's move that here. And here you'll have the sound with the video. So I could just delete the sound here. So you can delete the sound of the video right here, the audio track here. This, I'm just gonna turn it off. Let's go back. Here it is. So here, don't use audio here. And here you want to use this one, properties. You want to use that audio. So now if I play, there you go. You can hear the sound that we downloaded, and it plays with my video. So that's how you do it. So once that's done, if you want to use that free video editor, you'll go to export project, and you'll just click here, and that's gonna download your video. So that's all you need to do for this. So once you do that, then you'll go to your YouTube channel. You'll create a title. So I'll show you another website you can use for your hashtags and everything. You can use this website, TubeBuddy. So they have a free plan as well, and you can download this and simply just grab the hashtags from them, or you can use vidIQ. So that's another one that you can check out, vidIQ. This one, vidIQ, you can try them out and see how you like those ones. I personally use this one, this Video Marketing Blaster, and that's where I can search my keywords and everything. So if you go here, you can search per country, or yeah, you can search per country. You'll go here, you'll type the main keywords, so time lapse, tomatoes, or whatever you want to type. Get search result, generate video details, and you'll just search the keywords. So that's going to give you the keywords that you can add on your video. It will generate hashtags, it will generate titles for you, and a description as well. So it's really handy. So I can show you quickly how it works as well. So if we go back on this one, so let's say Apple time lapse, then you'll want to go here and research. So while it researches, okay, so it's going to take a little bit of time for the research to be completed, but once it is completed, this is what you have. You can search per rank, search results, so you see how many people are researching for this, for the words. So let's go here, Apple time lapse. So it's better to take one that's highly ranked, of course. So you can go like this one is plan time lapse, speed up video. No, let's go to, I mean, let's take that one for example, right? Then you'll go here and save to copy to clipboard. You can save the file if you want, and there you go. So you have over here, so those are all my previous researches, but there you go. You'll go here, Apple, and you can see it's gonna generate a title for you, a description. You have tags, and you can change the titles if you want. So let's say you don't want this one, you want to clear it, you just clear, and you want this one instead, and it's gonna put your title here. The description, same thing. You can go here and use those suggest phrases, and same for the hashtags. You'll go here and you can add some more hashtags if you want. You want to clear that, clear, and you want to choose the hashtags yourself, you can do that. So, and that's it. Then you just need to copy to clipboard here, and then you can just paste it on your YouTube video, and that's all for that's what I'm doing. But you can definitely like customize your titles and your description as well. And then what you want to do, you want to go to Canva for your thumbnail, and that's again completely free. So you'll go here and you'll type YouTube thumbnail. You'll go here and you can just take that one if you want, and you want to add a free photo. You'll go to pexels.com, and here again you have free images you can take. So let's say you want to download an apple just for the thumbnail. You can take this one. Here you have your apple. Then you go back to Canva. You will go to uploads, upload media. You want to take your apple right here. Your apple is right there. Perfect. And you just want to add your apple. Oops, let's do it again. So let's add your apple right here and just delete that. And that's your thumbnail. You can add a title if you want. Go to texts. So Rotting Apple, here you can put whatever you want, just download it. So you go here, share, download, and that's it. That's gonna be your thumbnail. So then you go to your YouTube channel and you will just need to download your video, put your hashtags, title and everything. Do it every single week or once every 2 weeks. Just make sure you download a video so you can have subscribers. Again guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for some of you guys. If it was, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.